Hello girls and guys, welcome to History of Bits. This is interactive data visualization with Bokeh in Python. So in this is I think so this is part 4. In this video we are going to see about basic customization of our graph. Okay, if you have not subscribed my channel, go to youtube.com/c/history-of-bits or click the red color button under this video. Okay, if you have not watched my videos, go and watch it. Okay, okay guys, now let's move into the our technical part. Okay, so customization means like if we have some graph, the graph without name means we don't know what the graph is showing. Wait, I will show you how to solve it from bokeh.io. Input output notebook, and we need to show it. So from bokeh dot plotting, we need to plot something. What we need to plot? We need to plot anything. Where to plot? Figure. Okay, let us now call the output function. Okay, let's move to the next cell. Okay, so my x data x equal to 3 4 3 4 10 6. So what about my y data? Y equal to 10 3 6 9. Okay, let's plot it. F equal to figure. Normal things. Plot width WH equal to 400. Plot height equal to 400. So we need to plot now. F dot. This time we will plot square. Square square. So x equal to x, y equal to y, color equal to navy. Okay, let's now show pig. Sorry, let's show f. It came, but size is too small now. Okay, let's increase the size. Size equal to 12. Okay, now it's good. So here's our plot, but what this plot means? Where is the title? Where is the axis name? So what this plot is representing? It's just simple plot. It's just simple graph. So we need to say that this is a simple graph. Okay, how to say that? Okay, let me copy this one and let me paste it here. Okay, now in the figure I will add title equal to any title but useful. Square plot. Okay, square plot is enough. Yeah, here our title square plot. Okay, but what this 3 to 10 means? 3 to 10 means, so let us say that this one y axis label equal to y axis. What about x axis? X axis label equal to x axis. Let us print. Yeah, now it came. Y axis is y axis, x axis is x axis. So let us change the name, like axis some age and y is some person's count. there are 3 persons in the age of 10 and 4 persons at the age of 3, and here 6 persons at the age of 9 and 10% at the age of 6. Okay, that's it. It's super simple. So hope so see you guys in the next video. Please do subscribe and comment about this video. See you guys in the next video. Bye, see you soon.